event production show. And we are at the VIP stand by K4 Group of Companies. So here we have a special guest, Dax.
Hello there. How are you? It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Dax. So, Dax, what do you think about the Canon industry in the security industry?
Well, I started my life as a police dog, then sniffer dog, then a spy. I think canines in general do a wonderful job with security.
Thank you so much, Dax. And Sishan, so what do you think K4 has to offer in the canine industry?
Well, I think canine security is an industry which is very niche at the moment, but I think it is very effective deterrent for when it comes to like vacant property, lone worker protection. So I think the canines are the best friends of the security operatives, and then they give an extra sense of like security, visibility, and protection as well. So let's say it this way: is like, so if I'm on a site, there might be like a bunch of guys standing up, and I've been on sites like those ones, and my best belief, the deterrent and the protection for myself was my companion, and that was a canine, a dog with me. Having it on is like an extra protection for myself, because it can then provide a sense of like fear to the strangers who's just intruders coming into the site, and they will trust me. I've seen people thinking twice when they have a bottle or something. I can't deal with someone with like 4 or 5 group of people alone, or someone bigger than my size, but definitely having a dog around is an extra security guarding for yourself and also for the site. Moreover, I would say is like when I used to be going on a patrol, I used to leave it back of my van, and then if something, I'm like 1 kilometer away from the van, I could hear the dog barking, and I could sense it like there is someone trying to or nearby who's not supposed to be. So it gives me extra cautiousness, and like I'm aware of my environment way before, because extra sense of smell, and because they can smell from distance, and when they smell it, they just start barking, and it gives me, alerts me as well, and alerts the intruder as well to not to jump from a fence or do anything stupid, and then I can just take it out and be with me as a companion, because I can rely on him, trust me. And that is what I think this canine industry is very niche, but I think it is very effective in the security industry, where having someone alone on site, you don't want to pay for 2-3 people. 1 canine unit is enough with our dog handler, and I think that is what it is.
Thank you, Sishan. So can K4 security actually tailor and cater to an event with a canine unit? Yep.
So there's 2 industries, my pardon if I forgot, so thank you for raising it as well. So if it is like an event industry, specifically here, the event production show, I think canines can do a better job in terms of like where you can't search or scan everything, but then the canines can sniff it and then look for explosives. They can smell any drugs and any unauthorized items. They can tell like they are not allowed on site. And I think, yes, in this event industry, people hesitate about doing it, self-searches, but I think when it is the canine on the events, it is a very well best suited, and I would say a very well, without having a very visible, strong presence. They just sniff it through the cars and you're good to go. And I think this is where they make a difference, where I can miss, human error can happen, but I think the dog wouldn't, because they're trained specifically to sense the unauthorized presence of drugs or explosives, which can be very drastic in terms of like outcomes if it is allowed on site.
Thank you so much. So here we have everything about the canine, and here we have Dax. Thank you so much, Dax.
Yes, also I want to add up one more thing, boss.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's like all canine units as a K4 group of companies is like you get a branded K4 units with a branded canine dog units. Like, so there is a vehicle which complies with the health and safety and also the welfare, animal welfare as well. And also we go like, you can see like all the branded dog units with branded uniformed officers, and all officers are obviously well trained along with the officer. It's not just like a trained dog, but also trained dog with a trained officer. So they have build up a bond, and they like literally are partners with each other. So best believe if someone lays hand on him, I would be very possessive. Same way, my canine would be doing the same thing around. So I think this is pretty much a bond we have to offer. So I think Capo stands out as like having everything. We are NESDU approved. So that is the legislation that is approved by the NESDU.